Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an ERPNext overview for beginners. Now this video will have everything you need to know about ERPNext if you're planning to use it for your business. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the ERPNext website. You can just access this by typing erpnext.com on your web browser. And from here, you can either get started by clicking on this button or explore demo. So if you click on Get Started, you'll actually be able to choose from their plan. You can start with their small business at $50 per month, which is best for teams with around 50 employees, with unlimited users, managed hosting, and product warranty. There's also a free trial on Frap Cloud for this if you choose this option. There's also the Enterprise Custom, which is best for organizations with complex processes. So similarly, it has unlimited users, managed hosting, product warranty, with the addition of account manager, priority SLA, phone support, and large DB support. But for this, you're going to have to get in touch with ERPNext for their pricing. I believe this will be dependent on your enterprise and what business needs you'll have. Down here, you can also try their open source, which allows you to deploy on your own server using their installation scripts. This is great for companies with a tech team, and it is GPLv3 licensed. So you can view the source on GitHub. Next up, if you want to try their demo first, then you can choose this option. So here you can see a sample of their dashboard. So before we get started with this right here, I'm just gonna show you real quick the key features of ERPNext, starting with comprehensive modules. So for accounting, you have a general ledger, accounts payable, receivable, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting. Now for CRM or customer relationship management, there's lead tracking, customer interaction, management, and sales pipeline visualization. You also have HR and payroll for recruitment, employee management, payroll processing, and performance appraisals. For inventory management, there's stock tracking, warehouse management, batch serial tracking, and inventory valuation. There's also manufacturing for bill of materials, production planning, work orders, and capacity management. For sales and purchase, you have sales orders, quotations, supplier management, and procurement tracking. For project management, there's task tracking, time logs, Gantt charts, and project costing. And finally, for e-commerce integration, you have shopping cart, website builder, and seamless online store integration. All right, so here we're going to move on to our sample dashboard, which we accessed from the shortcut right here for Explore Demo. So you have the home section here for your shortcuts. You have the item, supplier, sales invoice, and leaderboard. You have the reports and masters for under accounting. You have the chart of accounts, company, customer, supplier, and data import and settings right here. Stock for item, warehouse, brand, unit of measure. And then for CRM, you have the lead, customer group, and territory. All right, so we're going to try to go through some of the options we have here. So you have for accounting, this is a sample data for profit and loss. You can see it's color coded with income, expense, and net profit loss right here, starting on December all the way to March. And you have the outgoing bills, incoming bills, and incoming payment right here. So it's all summarized for your convenience. And I forgot to mention that if you try out their demo, you actually have up to 14 days to access their full features on a clean slate before you're going to need to purchase one of their plans. So again, you see the shortcuts here with the addition of cost center and budgeting. You have multi-currency, banking over here, subscription management, and share management. Here for buying, you can see purchase order trends, your shortcuts again, but you have purchase analytics included, purchase order, learn procurement, you have the dashboard, material request, and item, purchase order analysis. So there's 44 available items. Let's check these samples. All right, so you have sample items here. It's all listed accordingly, and you can also see their status. There's an item group. Of course, you have the ID. and then the item name. So that's the list of items. And then we're going to head back to our dashboard right here. So for selling, again, you see the sales order trends right here where there's a jump on October to December. So it's accurate representation of your sales order trend for a specific period. Again, you have some quick access items here. So it's very straightforward what you see on the interface. There's not a lot of colors, but nevertheless, it's easy to access and quick and straight to the point. So for manufacturing, you have some more shortcuts here for bill of materials creator, job card, forecasting, stock report, production plan, production planning report, and there's also work order and learn manufacturing. Then for the bill of materials, you see here the items and workstation type, workstation, operation, and routing for under production, and you also have the reports over here. Let's check out stock, and here we have the total stock value and the total warehouses, as well as the total active items, which we just checked a while ago. Again, you have quick access. Same with what we see on every option here, which is a good thing because whichever option we select will always have a bunch of quick access items that allow us to get to a specific report or a specific area where we want to check our data or check our analytics. It's all easy to access. You have an items catalog here under masters and reports. For stock, there's stock transactions, stock reports, serial number, and batch. So it's very thorough and complete. You also have key reports, other reports, as well as custom reports if there are any. Now for quality, there's quality goal, procedure, review, and action. You have more under reports and masters for goal and procedure. There's feedback, meeting, and review and action. Here under projects, you can see all your open projects. So the purple color signifies the total number of tasks, which is currently 2. And then there's overdue and completed. Let's check out the project section right here. See, it says there's 1. All right, so there's an open project right here. You can check the details by clicking on it. And then here you have an overview of that project. Just gonna close this and head back once. And to add a project, you can just click on this button right here and update the series and then type in the project name and then from template if there's any. And of course the company involved. And you can also edit the full form if you'd like. So it would look something like this. You have more details such as customer details, users, notes, costing and billing, as well as monitor progress. So once you're done with those details, just hit save and you will have your new project saved on your dashboard. All right, so here we have the ERPNext settings. Anything you need to edit for accounts, stock, and buying settings, feel free to check it out here. For CRM, territory-wise sales, and then some more shortcuts, and then finally the overall settings for your ERPNext account. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.